everyone to our next video in the YouTube series, Be a Maker. I'm Smita, I'm the founder of Tinkerama, and today we will be exploring pop-up art. Pop-up art comes under paper engineering, where you fold paper in different ways to make it do what you want it to do. And for today, our theme is going to be Save the Earth, and we will be making a pop-up to show people how they can cycle to save our trees. You need some colored paper. This is the paper that you're actually going to use for your card. It can be anything based on the theme that you pick. You need a couple of markers. You need a pencil, of course, a scale to measure the pop-up parts. You need a scissor to cut it out and glue to stick. To get started, choose the card paper or paper that you want to be your base. We're going to fold that in half so that it becomes kind of like a page of a book. The next paper, which is where we're going to make a cycle. Now this is rather big. All I want is a small rectangle out of this. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to measure it up. Fold this up in half as well, because that's going to then align with the card. We will fold along this line, and once we do that, right, we are going to cut off. See, there are two edges now. There's an open edge and then there's the closed edge. Now on the closed edge, I want you to cut off a small angle. So when I open it, it looks like this. There are two ways you can do it. Okay, this is called a simple V-fold. Now it can fold either way, right? It can fold it in or it can fold out. Now if you want it to fold out, when it pops up, it will look like this. When you want it to fold in, it will look like this. The important thing here to remember is when you fold, these angles have to be the same. I'm going to draw the two cycles now. I'm going to do first is I'm going to apply glue. I'm going to apply glue here, alright, on one side, and then you want to decide your angle. So now I want it to sit kind of like this. Remember, this line has to align with this line. That's the part that comes under the engineering. Okay, what we're going to do, how do we make sure that this angle is exactly the same and it doesn't go off like this, right? We're going to fold this over, right? And this is now the part where you have to apply the glue. So I'm going to do this. Apply the glue, and then just make sure there's no extra glue on the blue paper, and then I'm going to fold this over. Now when you do that, you ensure that the angle is same on both sides. Now when we lift it up, voila, you have a cycle standing up. Alright, now we're going to start with the trees part of it. Now I want this pop-up to be much bigger than the cycle pop-up that we made. So this is the cycle pop-up. I want it to be much bigger. So I'm going to take the scale and I'm going to make a much bigger rectangle. of my tree things ready. I'm going to stick them first and then I'm going to make the tree trunks. Again, when you're sticking it, you want to do the same thing that we did for the cycle. You want to make sure that you get your angles right. Thank you for making along with us. I hope you enjoyed Cycle to Work, Save the Trees. I have different ideas on what to make for pop-ups. You can do, the whole Quidditch at the back and Harry Potter in the front. You can make a speedometer of a car. I love that. You can do rockets in space. The theme is up to you. Please go ahead and make whatever it is you want to make with pop-up art, and do share it with us. So we are on Facebook and Instagram as @TinkeramaBLR. So share it with us there. That's it for now. Until next week. Thank you.